If you've ever wondered how those delicious Ugandan chaps are made, stay right here. Today, I'm taking you through the most satisfying homemade chap recipe. Let's cook. First things first, fresh flavor. I start by slicing spring onions on the chopping board, nice and thin. Then I add in a handful of green herbs, yes, that oatmeal, or coriander, whatever you call it. It's the magic that brings that fresh aroma. Next, I grab the grater and crush those onions into tiny pieces. Then grate the carrots. This gives our mixture a sweet, juicy touch that keeps the chaps soft on the inside. Now into the main part, our minced meat. I place it in a bowl, add all the veggies and begin mixing everything together. Already looks good, right? To bind the mixture, I crack in 1 egg, mix. Then here comes the flavor train. A little salt, black pepper, garlic, a touch of turmeric. Everything comes together in a beautiful golden color. I finish with baking flour to give it the perfect shape and texture. I sprinkle a bit of flour on the board so nothing sticks. Place the mixture on top and start rolling it smoothly. Once it's even, I use a round plate to cut out a perfect circle. I remove the extra pieces and repeat the process until I have a nice batch lined up. Look at that clean edges. Repeat the process until I have a nice batch lined up. Time to cook. I heat some oil on the stove, and when it's ready, I slide in the first chap. It starts to sizzle nicely. When it's almost done, I take it out. Dip it into raw beaten eggs to coat the top and put it back in the pan. That golden color? That's what we're looking for. I repeat the same process for the rest. And just like that, we've made beautiful, delicious Ugandan chaps. Crispy on the outside, soft on the inside, perfect for breakfast, lunch, or a quick snack. If you enjoyed this process, let me know in the comments which recipe you want next. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple and fun cooking videos.